So, what are we gonna do? Got it back. I'm just making this video for fun. But anyway, this is her Pat Engine. This is Pat, the guy in the chili suit, and this is Jen, the one in the leopard dress. So, I'm gonna make Jen's hair pretty. This is me, but my hair is regularly brown. Here you go. I'm gonna make my hair in pigtails. And then I'm gonna make my hair brown again. This is taking longer than I thought, so I have a phone. I'm gonna put Jen in a night suit. It looks pretty, but instead I'm just gonna leave her dress on. Gonna spray my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna give her a gigantic bow and some heart sunglasses. You look cool. So that's just a tiny video. Bye.